Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. In Cancer, we are back with another one for you. You heard me? Now listen, the cards are already out here. I didn't bamboozle you though. It's gonna be a 3 card draw. I ain't gonna hold you too long. Pause. But I'm not. We're gonna set it off with the Two of Pentacles being in reverse, followed by the King of Swords being in reverse, followed by the Nine of Cups. Followed by the Nine of Cups. Now look, this is kind of deep. I ain't even gonna hold you. There's some activity going on behind the scenes, subconsciously. I would say even covertly. Let me just keep it a beam with you. This is something that's covert, and I don't think that you are suspected. You don't come across as suspecting. But this is what's happening behind the scenes. Someone in your energy, meaning someone you're involved with, indirectly or directly. What I mean by that is maybe potentially about to be involved with. You're lacking a balance. Some of you are in the relationship with them, or this is an organization that you work with, and they're making poor financial decisions. I'm just keeping it a bean. And I don't know how it looks on the outside. It may not look like that on the outside, but covertly you have picked up on this. You have been made aware of this. You know that psychic energy that y'all possess, the Cancer energy possesses. It's there. This is third eye chakra energy as well that I see here. So you've been made aware of it somehow, even if not directly. The guides in the universes have gotten a message to you, a word to you. If not, maybe this is the message right here. But what's happening on the outside is that you're becoming this ruthless, devious, selfish individual. And I'm getting that this is because you know how people who play by the rules the majority of their life, and then they look outside themselves, they look outside in general, like they just look out the window and they be like, yo, everybody else is getting ahead in life, doing their thing, this, that, and the third. And sure, everyone has their consequences or their karma, but you get karma too. And you're just like, you know what? I'm not going out like that. I'm not going by everybody's rules no more. I'm not playing by everybody's rule book right now because I'm with this chick, or I'm with this dude, or I'm with this company, and look what they doing. It looks like they got it all. They're in charge of other people, supervising other people. They're the leader, and look what they're doing. Look how they're behaving. And they think, I don't know, they're cooking the books or something is wrong in this organization. And here I was going along for the ride. And you're kind of like speaking like it. You're speaking about it. You're being vocal about it. Some of y'all are out in public. Y'all got your phones out and y'all are recording yourself like, hi, my name is so-and-so. And I just feel like speaking today about such and such and such. And it's coming out in your speech. I'm just keeping it a bean. And if people listen closely enough, they can hear just how cold and ruthless that you can be. But I also see this as well. You're not overdoing it. And what I mean by that is you have the mentality of ruthlessness, deviousness, premeditated, I ain't going to say murder, but mayhem. Let's say that. All right? But you're also very calculated. You're also very careful, very observant, very watchful. So it's more about the mentality than it is about moving your hands. So you know how they got the saying in the Bible, it's about the evil doer. They put emphasis on doer because you could be evil all you want, but will you do the evil act? Will you do it? You understand what I'm saying? So I'm under the impression that you are not necessarily doing anything, but your mentality is like Teflon. And it is what it is. And it's because it's like, this is what they did to you. How that saying goes, like, this how y'all made me. Like, y'all turned me to a beast, and now y'all like praying for forgiveness now? Or y'all like, yo, chill? How you gonna tell me chill? But you're not being direct about this. You're just being more outspoken now. You're just saying stuff now. You know what I mean? And not for nothing, what's on the other side of that is your wishes coming true. Your dreams coming true. If you remain in that type of vein, and I feel like it's for protective purposes as well as it's for just being aware. Just realizing that, the rules are made by other people who want to live a certain lifestyle, while the people who follow their rules, let's be more specific, who follow their rules are subject to their lifestyle, but their lifestyle is not attainable. You understand what I'm saying? And you're just not going for that no more. So that attitude and that Teflon type of mentality is turning into a positive for you. That's your dark side. You doing shadow work on yourself, turning it into optimism and satisfaction for yourself. I'm just keeping it a being. I'm telling you what I see here. All right? And I feel like there's something else that I'm missing. Yeah, it's going to work for you. It's going to work for you. I'll tell you like this. There's an opportunity for it to work for you. If you work it, it'll work for you. Pause, because that's crazy work. When I'm serious, the opportunity is there for you to obtain fulfillment for thinking this way. And I'm going to just leave that right there. Till next time, I'm out.